Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 8th. Today's topic is expansion formulae. We will solve practice set 5.1, question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So let's begin. Question number 5, 3x plus 4y in another bracket, 3x plus 5y. Write down by using expansion formula. X plus a, x plus b equals x square plus in bracket a plus b bracket closed into x plus ab. Take this question down. Try to take this first bracket below this bracket and this bracket below this bracket here. So it will go easy. 3x plus 5y. Here x means we have to take value 3x and value of a is here 4y and value of b is 5y. According to this formula, first is given x square. X square means whose square? 3x square. Take this whole number in bracket and then put here square sign plus open the bracket again a plus b. Here we have a 4y, b 5y. Therefore 4y plus 5y multiply by x means multiply by 3x plus a into b 4y multiply by 5y. Again take this in bracket 4y multiply by 5y. Now solve this. Tell me what is the square of 3?
9.
Yes, 9. What is the square of x?
X square.
X square. Always why we took this this term in bracket, because square is for this number as well as for this variable. Plus now here we can add these terms because these terms are like terms. Here variable is y, here also variable is y. It means both are like terms. 4y plus 5y. What answer will come here? So 9y is correct answer. But still we will take this 9y in bracket because we need to multiply with 3x. So I will write this term 3x inside the bracket plus. Now do this multiplication. Here you can multiply numbers as well as variables. 4 5s are how much?
20.
And y into y?
Y square.
Correct. 20 y square. Now last thing is left, that is multiplication of this bracket. 9x square take down as it is 9x square plus 9 3s are how much?
27.
And these terms are unlike terms. So how we wrote this AB? In the same way, we have to write y into xy. Sorry, Amjad, what you said?
27xy.
Correct. 27yx or xy, both are correct, but we follow alphabetical order. Therefore, 27xy plus this 20y square as it is. This is our final answer. You can write question here 3x plus 4y in another bracket 3x plus 5y. Answer is 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square. Write down sixth sum 9x minus 5t in another bracket 9x plus 3t. Write down statement by using expansion formula and write the formula. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus ab. Take this question down below this formula 9x minus 5t, 9x plus 3t. We have to consider x equals 9x, a equals to minus 5t, b equals to 3t. I will take this x square in bracket. It means 9x whole square bracket square plus a plus b. A is here minus 5t plus 3t into x. It means into 9x plus minus 5t into 3t. Square of 9 is how much? 9 nines are
81.
81, correct. Square of x is
X square.
x square, correct. Plus, now here 5t is minus and 3t is plus. Whenever there is one integer positive, one integer is negative, we have to do subtraction. 5 minus 3, how much?
Minus
2. But here bigger numbers, sign we have to give minus 2t. This is the answer of the subtraction. Multiply by 9x, write down, plus 5 3s are 15, t into t, t square, negative into positive, negative. So negative 15 t square, 81 x square as it is down, positive into negative, here negative. Now again you have to multiply these two terms, 9 to the 18, t multiply by x, t x. Again here positive into negative, negative 15 t square. Therefore this answer is 81 x square minus 18 tx plus 15 t square. Write down 7th, m plus 2 by 3 m minus 7 by 3 by using expansion formula. X plus a into x plus b equals x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus ab. Take the question down. M plus 2 by 3 bracket close in second bracket m minus 7 by 3. So here x means m, a is 2 by 3 and b is negative 7 by 3. So x square means m square I will take plus a plus b 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 into m 2 by 3 into negative 7 by 3 bracket close m square plus again denominators are equal, we can do here subtraction. 2 minus 7 by 3 into m plus here we will do multiplication. 7 2s are 14, 3 3s are 9, positive into negative it becomes negative m square. Now tell me 2 minus 7 how much?
-5.
Correct. Minus 5 is correct answer. So minus 5 upon 3 into m. Here also positive into negative it becomes negative 14 by 9. This is the final answer. You can take this question down. Question number 8. X plus 1 by x in another bracket x minus 1 by x. By using expansion formula, x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. Take the question down. X plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x. At the place of x, x itself, x is there, x square plus in bracket a plus b, a is 1 by x, b is minus 1 by x into x plus 1 by x into negative 1 by x. here x square. Now denominator is same, equal. We can add this upper one, but here subtraction is there, so 1 minus 1 it becomes 0. When we divide or multiply 0 with any number, we get answer 0. Therefore this whole term, your answer is 0. The next thing is we have to multiply these terms. 1 into 1 it becomes 1, and x into x it becomes x square. Therefore 1 upon x square will be the answer, but here positive sign is there, here negative sign is there. Here we have to give negative 1 upon x bracket square. So, or in this way also, that is your choice. This was 8th sum, 9th sum. 1 upon y plus 4 in next bracket, 1 upon y minus 9. By using expansion formula, x plus a into x plus b equals x square plus in bracket a plus b into x plus a into b. 1 upon y plus 4, 1 upon y minus 9. X square means 1 upon y square, because square is for both. Square of 1 is 1, plus 4 minus 9 into 1 by y plus 4 into minus 9. 1 upon y square. Now again tell me 4 minus 9 is what? Always you have to subtract this number from this. Correct. Minus 5 into 1 is again minus 5 upon y. Minus 5 upon y. And now here 9 4s are how much? 36. Positive into negative, it becomes negative. Negative 36. 1 upon y square minus 5y minus 36. This is the answer. That's all for today's lecture. If you are watching this first time, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. God bless you all.